Making a will doesn't have to be so complicated. A lot of people shy away from writing their wills because they feel it's expensive, it's too cumbersome, and some people even think that they will die soon once they write their will. Please, writing a will is not a death sentence and it doesn't have to be so expensive. You don't have to break the bank to have your will. So I'm going to walk you through simple things you need to do to put your will together. So stick with me. First of all, who can make a will? You must be an adult. The Wills Act says 21 years. The Wills Act applies across Nigeria. And then the Wills Law of Lagos State says 18 years. I believe all the states have their various laws, so you pick the one that applies to you. So you must be an adult and also you must be of sound mind. No lunacy, no infirmity of any kind. You must be able to understand the nature of what you're going into, and you must also be able to identify your assets and your liability. So, an adult of sound mind. So, how do you make a will on your own? After you've understood the extent, the size, and the details of your assets and your liabilities, you put down the following. The first thing you need to put down is your full name, including your former names and any alias, your address, and your occupation. Secondly, the names and addresses of the executors who are going to be in charge of your assets. Number three, the full names and addresses of the beneficiaries of your will. And if any of your beneficiaries is a minor, the names of the guardian appointed for that minor or minors, depending on how many minors are beneficiaries of your will. Number four, a full list of your assets and your liabilities. My Toyota Camry with plate number so so so, my duplex in so 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 place, my gold bracelets at so 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 place, my something 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 carat gold, my German Shepherd named Rhino, etc. Full details, full particulars of your assets and liabilities. And finally, the full names and addresses of the witnesses. And please note, witnesses to a will cannot be beneficiaries of that will. So you have to make sure that none of your beneficiaries are witnesses to that will. Once you are a witness and you are named as a beneficiary, everything that was given to you cannot come to you. It's null and void. Now that you have written your will, how do you ensure that it is valid? First, obviously, it has to be in writing. Preferably, you should type and print it. Secondly, you must be of age, you must be an adult and you must be of sound mind. And you must do this freely without undue influence, without duress, and without fraud. Also, you, the testator, must acknowledge your signature in the presence of two witnesses who must be present at the same time, not at different times, together at the same time. Signed this 28th day of April by me, Ofyongba Sekpenyo, in the presence of so, 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 and so, so, so. And the witnesses must sign in your presence. Remember, I had said that the witnesses cannot benefit from your will. Also, the will must clearly identify the beneficiaries and the properties or assets you are giving to them. Take note. Finally, please note that if you have a large estate as an odogu, or you have complex family dynamics, or any other issue that may complicate your estate planning process, then you really should get a lawyer. Other than that, you're good to go. Nothing spoil. If you enjoyed this video or you learned something from me today, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like the video, comment, and share it with your friends. And next time, we'll be talking about the following things: who can benefit from a will, where you can keep your will, and the consequences of not having a will. I'll see you very soon, okay? Take care and enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye bye.